Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with my normal videos. Because obviously yesterday's videos was a promotional video where I promoted my newest Notion site that is value added. And to be really honest, like from the deep down of my heart, I'm not promoting it or anything like that. You will get a lots of valuable content from that site. So please do visit that site. I will put the video link in the description or the site link in the description as well, and in the iCard maybe here or here wherever that iCard appears. So yeah, so while making Notion sites, uh, there are obviously lots of cool embedding already available in Notion. Like a huge amount of embeds and plugins are already available for Notion. But still, there are some points when you need to have your custom embeds. Like obviously you need that JavaScript, that sweet little JavaScript or the sweet little HTML into your Notion site. But in Notion it is not possible, because like there is no built-in feature to obviously include those or embed those. So how I have put those little buttons, like you can see there is buy me a coffee button obviously, and there is also a product hunt ranking button also. So those are pure JavaScript buttons. Okay, so how I have embedded all of those buttons, that might be a question, right? So here's how I have embedded that. So I gonna show you obviously today's web app that will do this thing for you. So let's get straight in the video. So here is my site, value added obviously, and here you can see the buttons. Wait, it gonna load. Okay, here you can see the buttons, right? Buy me a coffee button, the product and feature button. So these were the button I was talking about. So how I made those buttons? So there is an web app, or maybe this is a Notion plugin. I don't know. However, you may wanna call this, you can call it. That is Aption. Yes, app plus Notion, Aption. So you can add any of the embeds, like any of the embedded link into your Notion site with Aption. And it's so easy to add. Like you just have to create your own DIY embed link, obviously embed URL. Oh, I'm not logged in. Whatever, I will just show you. Like I don't have to log in right now, I will just show you how it is done. Like you just have to create your own embed. Okay, then after there will be a portion. First you have to put the name of the embed, that something like this. Like this is a mail form embed, that's why they have put the name mail form. So after that mail form embed, you have to, yeah, here they have shown the pictures also, you can see it here. So after that, you have to obviously paste the JavaScript or any div, class, HTML, any component that you wanna showcase. Obviously you have to paste that, and then they will generate a link like this. You can see it here. Then they will generate a link like this, and obviously you have to put this link into your Notion site as a embed, and that's it. That's really it. It's so simple, and how cool features it's providing. Now it's obviously a paid plugin, but in a free version you get most of the things. Like if you don't have that much of requirements, obviously you get that. And in free version they obviously show their watermark, as you can see here. They obviously show their watermark. So but that watermark is quite okay for me right now, so I don't care about that. So okay, obviously. So if you want to use something like this in your website, obviously try out Aption. And that's it for this video. That's it. That's about this website. And if you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel, bro. And if you know about some of the cool apps, some of the cool resources, or some of the great websites, please let me know about them in the description. Not in the description, how will you? In the comments as well. Bye.